everyone, today we are going to see jawar savory cake. For that I have taken 1 cup of jawar flour and 3 tablespoons of oil. You can add seasoning of your choice. Here I have added crushed red chili, cumin powder, salt to taste, turmeric powder, and some sesame seeds. I am adding chopped onions, carrots, and some blanched spinach. Here I have some paneer. I have added some and saved some for garnishing. So mix all the ingredients well. So that all the vegetables get coated and they don't sink down. Add 3/4 cup of curd, and mix it well. To this, add water gradually so it becomes like a thick consistency. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix everything together. I have lined the tin with parchment paper and greased well with oil. So place the batter into it. Preheat the kadhai or oven at 180 degrees centigrade and allow this to cook for 30 to 40 minutes. You can serve this hot for evening snack with some green chutney. You can also make muffins out of it. So I have garnished with sesame seeds and some chili flakes. So it's ready. Take a blunt knife and loosen up the sides. Allow it to cool for some time and serve it when it's warm. So you can see the texture, how soft and spongy it is. So enjoy your millet snack with hot cup of tea or coffee. Thank you for watching.